Welcome to the Eagleware Legion website platform from Eagleware.org. In this video we're going to take an introductory look at the admin control, the part of the website that controls all the text on the pages, the videos, the uploaded pictures, the news control, which items of the menu are displayed. So let's get started and show you how some of that looks. First thing you have to do is log in on the demo website. It's already predefined. This is the main page of the administration control. You have a top menu bar that controls this lower menu bar. The main has controls affecting the entire website, where the Legion, Auxiliary, SAL, and ALR contain controls only for those specific areas. You can set up and define a Google Calendar. It's very simple to do. It's a free service and include it into your web page. You can define an unlimited number of links to add to your links page to go to different websites. Your menu control allows you to turn on or off menu items. If you don't want this particular page here, then you just find it and turn it off, and then it won't display. If you don't have an ALR and don't need it at this time, just uncheck it and it'll take it off the menu, and if you need it back later, you just go in there and recheck it and it'll put it back on. So you can see you have control almost. The only two things that you can't turn off in the menu is the Legion home page and the terms of use page. The photo page will let you set up an external photo gallery if you have one on Flickr or Picasa or someplace like that. All you got to do is supply the URL for it, and it'll include it into the web page. The sidebar news is the right column area of the web pages where you can post news postings. You can easily go in and edit an existing posting, make a new posting, or delete a current posting. The sidebar text area is the area right below the news control, where you can put any kind of text that you want in there. The settings tab allows you to determine your newsletters for your 4 organizations, whether each one of them works in a text mode, a PDF mode, is not shown at all, or is in blog mode. That determines, well, I'll tell you about that later. Your custom tabs, each organization area has one extra page that you can rename to anything that you want, and if you don't need it at all, you can just hide it and it won't show up on the page. Your employee tab, if you don't have a use for the employees area, then you just hide it. The users, you can set up unlimited number of administration users and define which areas of this control that they actually have access to. If you only want to have somebody to have access to the sidebar news, you uncheck everything for that user and just leave this one checked, and the only thing they'll see is this tab right here, and they won't have any control to the rest of the site. Videos tab lets you define YouTube video links. It's very easy to set up. All you have to do is set up tell it what title you want. You can upload or you can type in or copy and paste in a longer description that'll show up in a pop-up menu when you hover over the link, and include the code, and the instructions for doing that is pretty much right here. We'll have another video that shows you exactly how to do it. Very, very simple to do that. On the 4 organizational areas, you have homepage, contact, newsletter, officers, custom tab, and employees in the Legion area. And on the homepage, you can change the text. You can upload a picture and give it a title, and a small picture and give it a title. You can upload or define a video, and you can have an unlimited number of links that you can add to it to display JPEGs, PNGs, PDF files, or HTML files that you encode yourself. These are very, very simple to add. There'll be a video on that later. The contact page contains your post information for the Legion. You can also add a small photo and text. The newsletter, this is running in an edit newsletter mode, text mode, because that's the way it was defined in the settings. We have a built-in text editor. All the text areas of the website use this same control. It works just like a word processor. You can type into it, you can copy and paste to it, you can set different font sizes, change the colors. And when you get done, you just click save and close, and it'll update that area of the website that you're working on. The Officers tab lets you upload or define up to 20 different officers. You can supply a title, their name, a phone number, an email address, additional information, and upload a small photo. It will automatically resize the photo to fit the page. If you don't want to include some of this information, just leave it blank and it just won't show up on the page at all. The Employees works exactly as the Officers does. The Custom tab is a text area of the page, or a text area page, that uses that same built-in word processor. You can put anything in there you want to, and you can rename this custom tab to say Canteen, and then put your Canteen menu in here, for example. And the other three areas work just exactly like the Legion area does. We'll have separate videos showing in depth how to work the sidebar news control, how to do the video control. They're all very simple to use. And thank you for taking a look at this intro video on the admin panel, and we'll talk to you later.